Okay, let me get it focused here. All right, so this is what it looks like at the top with the crimp. Okay, I've pulled it back through. You had two going through and two coming back through. I'm going to crimp this off now like a regular crimp, and then I'll put a bead cap on it. Okay, so here we are. We've pulled it through the beads, and I'm about to clip that piece right there off in just a few seconds. I'm going to clip that off, and then I'm going to put a bead cap up here on the top. Okay, so there's the little bead cap I put on the top. Trying to keep it from going out of focus. Anyway, yes, I clipped off the excess wire, put the cap on the top. Now it's ready to be strung. Okay, back to the task at hand. Alrighty, I've got everything strung. Yeehaw! It was a daunting task for some of this down here just because of the bead work. But anyway, I do have it done. I am going now to finish off. And so I've chosen a gold hammered S-Clasp. And I'm going to finish off the top with copper, shiny copper, in order to pull in this down here. It's on the, oh, there's a gnat right there on my, it's a gnat on my coconut shell. Anyway, I've had my windows and stuff open, so I've had a couple of mosquitoes in here too, but anyway, sorry about the gnat. He just needed to have his face time. Okay, so back to this. I'm going to finish this off, and I pull the copper up, and the gold will come up and pull in all the little slivers of light between these beautiful, beautiful blue agate stones. So once I get the clasp on, I'll show you the finished product. Well, here it is, the last one in the series, unless the creator gives me another dream. This is the last one in my Gathering of the Nations series. So look at this one. This is the Pacific Islanders, all the island people, beautiful water for the ocean, coconut shells. Oh my goodness, sunshine, slivers of light. Yes. Gathering the nations in for the creator. We'll have this one posted for sale here shortly. So y'all have a great time. Create your own stuff. You can use this as a guideline. But anyway, I'm thrilled. Getting ready to go eat some dinner. Y'all have a great evening. See you tomorrow.